Can I see it? Is that right?
Yes.
Is that right? What shape is that?
The blue. It's the blue.
Haha, flower. It's a flower shape?
Daroji. Ito daroji. Daroji. Ito daroji. Ito daroji.
Sige na, lagay mo na doon.
Okay.
Very good.
Ito pa.
Ito pa. What's that?
Ito.
Oh, I think that's wrong. There. Opposite side.
Yan.
Opo. Opo. Sige, dali. Lagay mo. Kaya. Kaya mo yan.
Kaya ko yan.
Yes, very good.
Ito yan. Ayan.
Hmm.
Hmm?
Hmm?
Dali.
Hmm.
Dali. Hmm? Dali. Kaya ko yan.
Yes, kaya. Very good.
Open. Open.
Oval.
Open.
Oblong oval. Very good, Gian.
Ayun, star.
Star. Star. Very good.
Ito. Ito. Triangle. Triangle.
Can I see it? Triangle. Is that a triangle?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good.
Ito. Ito.
What's that? How about that? What's that?
Lakay ko yun.
Square? Oh no, it's not a square. What's that ba?
Ito
Ah.
is there. Ito is there.
Beside triangle.
And
Oh, sige na, lagay mo na, dali.
Lagay ko is lagay ko.
Very good.
Ito. And
What's that circle? Very good.
heart. Ito heart.
Ah, heart. Okay.
Ayun,
Very
lagay ko lang.
good. Heart.
Ito bopos. Ito.
Square. Very good.
There.
There's more. There's 2 left.
It is small.
Okay. Okay mo, saan yan?
Ito jeep. Yan. Jeep.
Ah, flower shape. Very good.
Ito.
How about that? What's that? Saan yan?
Lagay ko lang. Ito.
Ah, dyan. Very
Yan.
good.
Lagay ko lang.
Yay! Good job. No more na.
Ano na?
Say hi. Hi.
Meeting na meeting.
Airplane. Okay, bye-bye. Pumunta pa yung mukha mo.
Kamu na meeting.
Airplane.
Kamu meeting.
Hmm.
Kamu na meeting.
Bye-bye.